If you want to quickly compare how your Mailchimp email campaign is performing against industry averages, email benchmarking is one of the easiest tools to use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Mailchimp email campaign benchmarking step by step so you can review your results, understand your performance, and make better decisions for your next campaign. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Campaigns section and click on it. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, including the one you want to review. After that, find the specific email campaign you want to analyze and click View Report. That will open the performance details for that campaign. Now scroll down through the report until you reach the email benchmarking section. This is the part of Mailchimp that compares your campaign results with benchmark data, so you can see how your open rate, click rate, and other key metrics stack up. It's a really useful way to tell whether your email is performing above average, below average, or right where it should be. Next, click the drop-down selector in the benchmarking area. From there, choose the email benchmarking option if it is not already selected. Mailchimp will then load the benchmarking view and display the relevant comparison information for your campaign. Take a moment to review the numbers carefully, because this helps you understand what's working and what may need improvement. For example, if your open rate is lower than the benchmark, that may mean your subject lines need to be stronger. If your click rate is weak, then your call to action or email content might need a refresh. On the other hand, if your campaign is outperforming the benchmark, that tells you your message is connecting well with your audience, and you should keep using that strategy. This is one of the best ways to make your email marketing more data-driven, because instead of guessing, you're comparing your results to real performance standards, and the more you use benchmarking, the easier it becomes to spot patterns across different campaigns and improve over time. So just to recap, go to Mailchimp, click Campaigns, open the email report, scroll to Email Benchmarking, and select the benchmarking option from the drop-down menu. In just a few clicks, you can start understanding how your campaign performs against industry averages. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Mailchimp tutorials and other easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.